I vote 3.
What's 3? I forgot.
3
What?
was the network. I'll do it.
Go on, Callum.
Uh,
Hi, thank you for calling PlayStation. My name is Teresa, your PlayStation specialist. How may I help you? Hello? Hello? Mm.
What? Alright, hold on. Right, yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
How can I help you guys?
Who is this?
This is PlayStation.
Ah, right, good. Right, yeah. I dropped my PlayStation a few days ago, and now it won't turn on.
Okay. So you dropped it?
Yeah, I dropped it because I spilt hot tea all over myself and dropped it face down. Yeah.
All right. Since it's been dropped, I don't know what you repaired. Is that what you're wanting, or is it repaired?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Were you wanting it repaired?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Well, since you dropped it, that would be considered neglect, so they wouldn't repair it.
I also spilt hot tea over it though. Will that affect it? Hello?
Excuse me? Hello? What was that?
I also dropped hot tea over it while it was on the floor. Will that affect its repair process?
Yes.
Oh, how so?
They won't repair it
What? Why not?
because you dropped high tea on it. You dropped it. You dropped a liquid on it, so that's neglect.
But can you just dissolve the liquid, therefore curing the horrible actions that took
Yeah,
place
but
on it?
the warranty has been voided on that. Since you dropped it and then you spilled the hot tea on it, the warranty has been voided on your PlayStation.
Hmm. Can not like just like microwave it or something to dissolve it? The liquid.
I It's already destroyed, sir. I don't know what to say.
It doesn't look, but it's intact. It doesn't look like it's like destroyed or looks in pieces. And I think it's
Okay,
look.
but you just said you spilled liquid in it.
Yes.
Yes, that voided the warranty.
Well, but yeah, can I not get like advice or anything that how to cure liquidized substances?
Sir, I really don't know what to tell you. I mean, after the liquid and then you dropped it, there's really no troubleshooting that we could do.
Mm. Well, maybe the liquid wouldn't count because after I spilt it, I hung it out to dry. If that would help. Hello.
Hello.
So would that not help since I dried it, or is it just completely bust?
It's just a bust.
Oh, oh, oh well. Thank you for your help, ma'am.
Not a problem.
Right, thank you.